I made my first $250,000 in real estate before my 19th birthday. My dad woke up one morning and said we had to buy, we had to sell. Now that I'm in my mid-30s, I'm realizing that he told me to get my license because he wanted me to stay away from the wrong crowds. In my first year, I started selling resale. I started with my dad's transaction, but things didn't go as I thought they were going to go. When I was selling real estate at the age of 18, people would look at me because I had spiky hair and earrings. Nobody would take me seriously. They wouldn't want me to help them buy or sell a property because I didn't own anything. I had no real experience. I very quickly learned pre-construction and I sold over 40 properties in my first year that year. After understanding pre-construction and doing really well, I ended up eventually becoming a mortgage agent because I didn't understand how deals were underwritten, and sometimes my clients would ask me questions that I couldn't answer. Eventually, after having my real estate license and my mortgage agent license, I applied to law school. It was my family's dream for me to become a real estate lawyer, and I looked at it as an opportunity where I could be involved in all three elements of the real estate transaction. At a certain point, I could only do so much as a single individual. My goal was to build the brokerage I never had and to scale a team that could help me make an impact on a large scale. Today, I've built one of the fastest growing RE/MAX offices in the world, and it's built on all of the foundations that I didn't get at the firms that I belonged to previously. I've made all kinds of content on how to become successful in real estate. I would love to meet with you, to connect with you, and see how I can help you build a successful business in real estate.